Come test drive the 2017 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.